Okay? So, the SOP to enter in the train in Bombay, right? First, go to the station. Okay? Then, stand where your compartment will come, the gents, because वहाँ पे पट्टे लगे होते हैं, right? Ladies, gents and all that, right? Then, so, you're walking, then you keep walking, watching whether the train is coming or not from there, right? Okay? So, you, train coming or not coming. The moment you see the light, you know, दिन में भी जलती है वो light. Okay? The moment you see that light, SOP, step number 1. 1, 2, 3. First step. Okay, 3 steps behind. Number 2 step. Take the bag in front. Hello? Take the bag. Because, you know, in Bombay, when you're working, you cannot carry a briefcase. You know why? Because if you carry a briefcase, only handle will go inside. Okay? And then, you keep the bag in front. Okay? Why bag in front? Because if your bag is behind, it will remain behind. You will go inside actually, right? So in front, hold the bag like a kid, like a baby, right? And then on your marks, get set, and then you have to go and enter in the train before it stops. Seriously. Before it stops, you have to enter. Why? Because when it stops, there will be no place. Okay? And it's not over. You go inside like a bullet actually, right? Actually, you go inside like a bullet. And then, immediately after going there, your bag need to go up. Your bag is like this. Then the rhythm will start. Somebody will take your bag, then they will give back to someone, and then it will go on the left, right? Okay? And then, it's not enough. Then you have to find out a place in the corner somewhere. Because if you are in the middle, next station they will take you down. Okay? So, you have to find a place in the corner somewhere and you have to stand, like this is a wall on the corner. Okay? You have to stand on the wall. Kiss the wall. You know? Kiss the wall. You know? Your back should be open. Hello? It should not be like this. You know why it should not be like this? 100%. So many people coming in from there, somebody's belt will get stuck in your belt. And both the pants will come down actually, right? See? One second. How many people from Bombay? Okay, those who are not from Bombay, believe me, not even 0.1% exaggeration. This is what exactly happens. Okay? And then, this is not over. Then your bag is there. You sleep like this for hours. If you don't get a place in the corner, then go somewhere in the middle and hold the chain. Hold the, and sleep like a horse. Correct? And when you are sleeping there, you get a free massage also, right? Massage, aromatherapy. Why? Because from everywhere, somebody is touching you. And everyone's hand is up. So different smell. Okay? And then when the train moves, everyone moves. So automatically the massage, right? Seriously. And people sleep like that only. I used to do that every day. And my problem is that I'm short. Correct? So somebody who's tall, next to me suppose, or 4 sides, taller. Correct? True? So they actually massage from their legs to me. Because their body is above, right? Funny things used to happen. By that time, my company gave me a pager. Kutte ka patta, right? So boss used to page immediately in the morning. First thing, call back to this number to check where are you. So one day I was holding this, sleeping. Suddenly, bzzz, bzzz, that pager in the pocket, right? The guy in front of me is turning and said, what's... And then I said, no, nothing. It's just a pager. Don't worry. Okay, because I cannot even take out the pager, because if I put my hand, maybe my hand will go in someone else's pocket actually, right? Okay? So, this is how exactly every day I used to travel. And this is not over again. So, you are already inside the train. How to get down? That's another step. How to get down? Simple. Train aaya, utar jao. No. Not like that, right? Then, before your station come in, you know next is your station, right? You have to start tap game. Tap game, you know? You have to tap the guy in front, right? Don't open the mouth. Because smell, right? You know that. Okay? You have to tap. And isharo mein, you have to say... Which means, are you getting down? No. Then let me come in front, right? But how to go in front? There's no place. Garden to hai nahi ki aise ghoom fir ke gaye aur chale gaye, right? There's no place. Sometimes you stand in one leg because you don't get place to keep the another leg, right? You know why? So how to go in front? Nothing. That's why gents are not allowed in ladies' compartment, ladies are not allowed in gents' compartment, right? Because simple, the moment the guy say, I'm not getting down, he said, I have to. You do Eid Mubarak and turn like this and then take his position, right? But there's no place. Seriously. And you know, our back is very strong, those who traveled in the train in Bombay. You know why? Because when you stand there, you don't stand like this. Simple, right? With a back rest. No. Sometimes you're like this. Sometimes you're like this. You know why? It depends on the size of a person who's there in front of you or behind you actually. Seriously. Somebody who's having a big belly, somebody having a big stomach, and who's behind you, right? So you're like this. Because stomach is pushing you, right? Somebody in front of you having a big bag. So you do like this then, right? And because I was shorter, the back used to come here. Correct? Stomach used to come here. So that's why the back is become so strong, right? 1 hour you stand like this every day. So strong, right? Okay? Then how to get down? So tap game, next. Then next. Till the time the guy will say, I'm also getting down. You keep doing this. Okay? And don't worry, if the guy by mistake say I'm getting down, but he don't need to get down, you will take him down. You will not stop. You will take him down actually, right? Okay? Other people will take him down. Okay? Then, before the station come in, your bag will come. But now, there's no space to get the bag down. You hold the bag like this. You know? And you're like ready to jump from the train. And there's an art of jumping also. If you jump in the opposite direction, you will fall. So you have to jump along with the train, right? And you have to get down from a train before it stops. Till date, I never understood when you have to get down before it stops, when you have to get out before it stops, why they stop actually, right? Why they stop? Why you have to get down before it stops? Because people who are coming in, it's not like a metro, na? Come in, go out. No, one door only, right? Same door, come in, come out, right? So because people who are coming in, they come like a bullet. So if you don't jump before they come in, they will take you in again. Seriously. Tell me one thing. Doing this for all your life. Doing this for all your life. Easy or maxing out is easy? Now you know the reason. Now if you are also doing the same, you're from Bombay, either it is not giving you enough pain, correct? Or you are okay with that. You know, I always tell people ask me, what is the difference between people who succeed and who, I give a Bombay example only, right? If you are from outside Bombay, you come to work in Bombay, right? Where do you live? Vasai, Virar, some suburbs, right? You travel every day like this. Go through hell every day, right? In initial days, people crib, cry, complain, but after some time, they get comfortable in that discomfort, right? They get comfortable in that discomfort. True? You know? And then they start calling, अरे आज तू मेरी ट्रेन में आया? तेरे बाप की ट्रेन है क्या? तेरी मेरी ट्रेन है ना? People go, अरे आज तू मेरी ट्रेन में आया? As if he owns the train, right? So simple, people get used to. Then they buy a house also in suburbs. Their kids also do the same thing. Their generation do the same thing. You know? And they crib. They keep cribbing actually. They keep complaining. But they do nothing to get out of it, right? Correct? Another category, very few people, maybe 5% people, they get angry with this discomfort, right? They stop cribbing. But they get angry and they decide to do something about it. And then they push themselves extra hard. And slowly, they shift from Vasai to Virar to Vasai, Vasai to Borivali, Borivali to Andheri, Andheri to Bandra, Bandra to South Bombay actually, right? Correct? And that's how they reach. Now what is the difference between these two categories? Why one category is able to do, one is not? You know, I always tell the difference is the tolerance limit. The limit, how much you can tolerate, how much. Correct? Second category, that 5%, they cannot tolerate too much. And when you hit the peak of a tolerance, you take big decisions actually, right? Correct? And other people, they crib, cry, complain, but they keep tolerating actually, right? Correct? So the second category, they take a decision